Okay, so the only reason I'm making this video is because most of the time when we're optimizing our PCs, we end up disabling a bunch of background services and apps that seem unnecessary. You know, less running stuff equals better performance mindset. But sometimes we forget that a few of those built-in features are actually super useful. And one of them is Microsoft's Phone Link app. So today I'm giving you a super quick walkthrough, how to use it, how to connect your Android, and most importantly, how to receive your mobile calls directly on your PC. No extra apps, no weird hacks. Before we begin, just one thing. To get this working, you do need an Android phone with internet. Bluetooth is also needed, especially if you want to make or receive actual phone calls on your PC. If Bluetooth's off, you'll only get text and notifications. All right, I've got everything ready, so let's jump in. Right now, I'm on the desktop, and first thing we'll do is open the Phone Link app. It usually comes pre-installed with Windows 11, but if it's missing for some reason, just open the Microsoft Store and search Phone Link. Download it. Done. After that, now here's what you do. On your Android device, just head to Play Store and install Link to Windows. Yep, that's the official one by Microsoft. Once installed, log in with the same Microsoft account you're using on your PC. On the PC side, do the same. Sign in and go to Settings. There, you'll find the option to link your phone or add a device. By the way, I'm not using the same email between PC and Android, but this verification verify that. Don't worry. Now, once you choose your device, it'll send a pairing request. Might ask for a QR code scan. Follow that, it's super quick. Now this part matters. Scan the QR code from your mobile, if you're not using the same email. Once scan is complete, verify your Android device with this given code. Once done, now make sure your mobile device is turned on and you're connected to the same network. And if your mobile device's battery is low, it's connected to a charger. That's it. Click on Continue. Then, in the Phone Link pop-up, click on Get Started. There you go. Once your phone is connected, now comes the fun part. You can already see your recent text messages, call logs, and even the latest photos you clicked on your phone. Right here, synced with your PC. But hold up. For calls, there's one more step left. Go ahead and click on the Calls section in Phone Link and hit Get Started. Now, make sure your Bluetooth is turned on both your Android and PC. Tan-tana! We're officially connected. Now you can see your recent call history, a proper dial pad, and yep, you can literally make calls from your PC or receive incoming ones, just like you would on your phone. No need to reach for your phone while working or gaming. Just pick it up on your desktop. Call quality depends on your mic, but most Bluetooth or USB headsets work like a charm. But wait, that's not all. You can also drag and drop files between your PC and phone using Phone Link. Send a screenshot, share a video, or even transfer documents. No cables needed, no extra apps. Just smooth, wireless file sharing. All right, that's it for today. Like, share, and tag your lazy friends who never answer their phones. I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, stay optimized and stay connected.